In front of me is hammer blade 5, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on About Phone. Following that, select the device name over here and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, hit OK in device name pop-up and also OK in the second one about visibility. As you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!